everyone, Beat Up coming at you here with another video, and I want to show you all how you do the perfect water bath for those of you guys who love making cheesecake or anything really for that matter, such as myself. I love to bake, I love to cook, I just have so much fun doing it, and I literally just pulled my cheesecake out of the oven after a good 2 hours and 15 minutes here. So as you guys can see, there's no cracks in it. The top is like perfectly flat on this one. And yeah, this is just a very seamless way to do a water bath that has worked for me when it comes to my cheesecakes every single time. So what I go ahead and do, folks, is I take my springform pan and I put it in a slightly larger circular cake pan. So that way you're not having to like mess around with aluminum foil and then ensuring that it's sealed really well and wrapping, you know, just a springform pan with aluminum foil and then like not knowing 100% if it's going to leak water or not, especially with how long you have to bake cheesecakes for. They go in the oven for quite a long time. So anyways, I basically put this inside of a larger pan. And then what you're going to want to do is I actually bought myself this roaster from Walmart, roasting pan, from Walmart for like $13, I believe. I was using an aluminum foil one for the longest time, but I thought, you know, I'm going to buy it like a decent one here since I love making cheesecake so much. And what you guys are going to want to do for your water bath is you're going to want to go ahead and boil a pot of water on the stove. Then you're going to want to basically dump this inside of your roasting pan after you've put these things in. You put your cheesecake in this in here, and then you're going to want to dump the water in. As you guys can see, I still have water in here. I literally just like haven't even got a chance to dump it out. But basically you're just going to want to pour like water till it goes to about here. And then voila, there we have it, guys. That is how you do your water bath for cheesecakes. If y'all are curious, feel free to ask any questions and I'll be more than happy to answer. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I hope that your cheesecakes turn out amazing with this method of a water bath.